The next station is South Kensington, Piccadilly line. Trains are non-stopping at South Kensington until spring 2022. For the Piccadilly line, change at Victoria for the Victoria line to Green Park. Exit here for the museums and Royal Albert Hall. Are non-stopping at South Kensington until spring 2022. For westbound Piccadilly line, change at Barons Court or Hammersmith. This is a District Line train to Ealing Broadway. The next station is South Kensington. The next station is South Kensington. Change here for the Circle Line via High Street Kensington and Paddington. Piccadilly line trains are non-stopping at South Kensington until spring 2022. For westbound Piccadilly line, change at Barons Court or Hammersmith. Exit for the museums and Royal Albert Hall.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is South Kensington, Piccadilly line. Trains are not stopping at South Kensington until spring 2022. For westbound Piccadilly line, change at Barons Court or Hammersmith.